How to create Pandora account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Pandora Jewellery and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Click on the very first one website option, us.pandora.net, open it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Pandora. Now at the top right, you will find this icon, click on it. You will land to the login page. Now over here you will find this section of create account, click on it. Now you have to fill this to create your account. Pandora is known for its customizable charm bracelets, designer rings, earrings, necklaces and watches. The company has 2 production sites in Thailand and markets its products in more than 100 countries. Now to create your Pandora account you have to fill this. Firstly type in your first name, type in your last name, type in your email address, generate password for your account, confirm your password. Now check in for this option. Once you fill all these, click on the option of submit. And with that your account will be created. If you want to edit your profile details, you can head towards this section and do that. Likewise, you can add your address. So that's all for this video. This is how you can easily create your Pandora account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.